Lot number 3, D like dog, D like dog. Nice ocean view. Lot number 3D. Now this slot is pretty special because you have this big ocean view building site that wraps around here to a nice look at the jungle in the back. And then from here you can walk right down to this little trail here, and there's another big building area back in here in the jungle. Walking down this little trail here. In fact, there's also this little spot down here that you can be used for a little cabin or a garden. There's actually bananas starting to grow right here. I planted these banana trees only about 6 months ago, and they're already bearing fruit. Pretty amazing. But anyway, continue down here this trail. This is a big mango tree right here, and opens up into this jungle lot. This is just a little shack that we built for some of my workers that spend the night up here sometimes. And then another really nice part about this lot is that there's a trail, another trail that continues down here and actually goes right down to the river. The river is right down there. There's actually a nice little flat area you could lay out right there. You could put a towel down there and you can lay out and sunbathe, and then you could swim in the river. And of course you can hear the river too. The river continues down there in that area. Okay, so this is lot number 3D. Very special piece. This is lot number 3D, like dog. It's the view, ocean view, this lot. And then this is the actual building site right here. And this is 3C up here, this little grassy hill right here. I'm including this piece with 3D. There's a very good package price for the 3C and 3D, or you can just buy 3D separately. And then 3D is nice because it has an extra little bonus area back in here. There's a little trail back in here which opens up into a nice jungle area. There's also this little flat area down in here that is also usable. And these banana trees, I actually planted them not too long ago, and they're already bearing fruit. There's a big bunch of bananas right there. So anyway, as you continue down this trail here, there's a mango tree right here. Big mango tree. They're not in season yet, but they will be soon. And then you have this nice big flat area, jungle area in here. This is a little shack we made just for the workers to stay in once in a while. But this is a really nice private jungly area back here that can be built on. Actually, if you cut some of these branches down, their ocean is right there through these trees. So this actually does have an ocean view. And then if you continue down this trail, yep, it comes down, continues down to the river. Nice little river area down there. Swimming area down there to lay out on and sunbathe. And the property goes all the way down to the river, which is also down there, and it wraps all the way around to the back.